When discussing air-launched cruise missiles that currently dominate battlefields and are expected to maintain their reliability and performance through 2030 and beyond, their origins can be traced back nearly 2 decades. In the late 1990s, the United States was developing the AGM-158 JASSM. Russia was working on the KH-101 and 102 as NATO designation Kodiak, and Germany with Sweden was advancing the Taurus KEPD 350. During the same period, the United Kingdom and France collaborated to develop a highly advanced air-launched cruise missile. The development process began in 1994 as a collaboration between the French company Matra and British Aerospace plc, in short BAe. This Anglo-French 50-50 joint venture was formed to develop a cutting-edge missile system. By 1996, they had been established as the prime contractors for the program, named the Conventionally Armed Standoff Missile, in short CASOM. A development and production contract was signed in February 1997 when Matra and BAe merged their missile business to form Matra BAe Dynamics. The missile is based on the French-developed Apache anti-runway cruise missile, but differs by carrying a unitary warhead instead of cluster munitions. Driven by the requirement for a long-range precision strike weapon capable of penetrating advanced defenses, the missile was designed to target high-value, well-protected objectives. Combining expertise from both nations resulted in a stealthy, terrain-following missile with exceptional accuracy, known as the Storm Shadow in the UK and SCALP EG in France. Currently, the missile is manufactured by MBDA, formed through the merger of 3 prominent European missile systems companies: the French Aerospatial Matra Missiles, the Anglo-French Matra BAe Dynamics, and the missile division of the Anglo-Italian Alenia Marconi Systems. MBDA is a European multinational corporation specializing in the design, development, and manufacturing of missiles and related systems. It is headquartered in Les Places, Robinson, France. The first successful, fully guided firing of the Storm Shadow SCALP missile occurred at the CEL Biscarrosse range in France at the end of December 2000, launched from a Mirage 2000N. Subsequently, the missile became operational with the Tornado in 2003 and the Dassault Rafale between 2004 and 2005. Integration with the Saab Gripen followed during the 2010s. The missile's first flight on the Eurofighter Typhoon took place on 27 November 2013. By mid-2023, the Storm Shadow was successfully integrated with Ukrainian Su-24 bombers as well. Jai Hind dosto, this is Prajesh Majumdar and welcome to AirPra. Let's explore this in depth. Here we go. The Storm Shadow, or SCALP, is a long-range, air-launched cruise missile designed for precision strikes against high-value, well-defended, static or very low-speed targets. The system, manufactured by MBDA, is used by several countries. First, designed and structure. Length approximately 5.1 meters. Width 25-inch. Height 19-inch. Wingspan 3 meters. Diameter around 0.48 meters. Weight roughly 1,300 kilograms. Second, propulsion. Engine. The missile is powered by a turbojet engine, often the microturbo TRI-6030 turbojet, which provides a cruise speed of Mach 0.8 and a range between 140 km to 550 km depending on flight conditions. This propulsion system allows the missile to fly at subsonic speeds while maintaining high efficiency over long distances. The missile must be programmed before launch, making it a fire and forget weapon. Once launched, it cannot be commanded to self-destruct or have its target information changed. Mission planners carefully program the weapon with details of the target and its air defenses. However, the refurbished missiles from 2023 onwards are significantly smarter than the previous ones. Third, guidance and navigation. Inertial navigation system provides autonomous navigation during the mid-course phase of flight. Global positioning system ensures precise targeting during the terminal phase, enabling the missile to home in on the target. Terrain reference navigation utilizes digital terrain maps for terrain following, enhancing accuracy in contested environments known as terrain contour matching or TORCOM. Image infrared seeker. In the final stage, the missile uses an infrared seeker to lock onto the target, offering high accuracy in striking hardened targets with minimal collateral damage. As the missile approaches the target, it climbs to increase its field of view and improve penetration. The missile then matches the stored image of the target with data from its high-resolution thermographic camera to identify the target area before diving into it. Fourth, Warhead. A 450 kg shape-charged BROAG, that is Bomb Royale Ordnance Augmented Charge warhead, designed in a multi-stage format to penetrate hardened, reinforced structures. Target capability, ideal for strategic infrastructure including command centers, bunkers, airfields, ports, power stations, ammunition storage and management facilities, as well as surface ships and submarines in ports, bridges, and other high-value strategic targets or critical sites. The missile can be programmed with various impact and detonation modes, including delayed fusing to penetrate deeply into structures before detonation. Fifth, stealth and evasion. The Storm Shadow is designed for low observability, reducing radar detection in highly defended areas. This is achieved through its stealthy airframe, low radar cross-section, and terrain-following flight profile. Launched from medium to high altitudes, the missile follows a low-level, terrain-hugging path, ensuring precision strikes even in heavily defended or remote locations. Well, that's all about the Storm Shadow weapon system presented in a concise and precise manner. Stay tuned with AirPra for the next fascinating content on air-to-air missiles. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free and fuels our passion for bringing you even more distinctive and game-changing content.